Hello, this is Ben Masonheimer with Silver Seas Yachts. Today I'm aboard a listing I'd like to share with you. It's a 2023 Scout LXF. It's the 330 model. It's powered by 400 horsepower motors. The seller's super motivated, so let's check it out. Who knows, maybe it's the right boat for you. Okay, here she is. 2023 Scout 330 LXF. Here at the bow we have a windlass anchor. You have controls here and also at the helm. Nice pop-up cleats, rod holders all around the perimeter of the boat. I really like these click-in fenders. Our engines have 55 hours on them. They're 400 horsepower. They have a protection plan from Brunswick on them until 2030, and they'll power the boat to over 60 miles per hour. As we come aboard, we have factory decking here, and then the current owner has added this beautiful foam decking throughout the boat. As we step into our cockpit, we have a fold-out seat here. Here's our bait tank. We have a dive door that opens up and a dive ladder that goes out for easy boarding and swimming and all that fun stuff. We have this aft facing seat here, rod holders above. We have lots of lights. We have the LED strips and then the spreader lights, just not lots of lights. Speakers back here. We have a hardtop that extends out over this whole cockpit area. Moving forward, you can see how beautiful the lines of this boat are. I like the handrails all the way down the side and the very deep gunnels. Here at our helm, we have room for 2 to 3 people. Thigh-rise bolsters. We have armrests. Our helm has Garmin electronics. These are the 86 series. It does have the upgraded stereo package. One more thing to add about these seats. It says in the C-zone switching control that there is heat. So these are heated seats. It has everything you'd want as far as electronics, as well as all your engine data, stereo control, everything comes through here. Here's our Mercury smart throttles. So start stop here, single lever, auto trim, throttle only. Here's our joystick. This is used for docking, for skyhook, and it's also an autopilot, heading hold and a route function here. Tilting Edison wheel. The boat has Zipwake automatic trim tabs. Here's your Mercury control, but again, you can get all of that right up here. We have a glove box here. The boat has heat and air. I believe that's only for dockside. All of your critical switches are just here. VHF, 2 cubbies here. Now when you extend the hardtop out, you then have a clear view of the sky. The decking's been put up here. I like that because you always end up setting stuff here. So very nice to have it. Here's our cabin. So we have a vacuum flush head, stereo head unit right here, air conditioning. This is your charger. And then you have batteries under both sides, and the center section can come out for sitting around. And then you have storage up above just here. Now I caught this boat before wash day and it was just out over the weekend, and just look at everything on this boat. I think you can tell by now the pride of ownership. This boat has a cover. It's one of the easiest covers I've ever dealt with. It just slides in 2 pieces into these tracks up here, zips down the sides, and boom, you're done. All right, here at our bow, we have storage all the way around. All of this is draining. And just again, the condition and the quality of this build is fantastic. Let's go ahead and check out these draining ice boxes here. And all of the storage forward looks like this, where it's all finished out with drains. Let's go ahead and raise our table. So if we go ahead and stop right at this height, there's a filler cushion in the cabin that covers this table, and you have a great big beautiful layout area here. I might also mention there's a custom sunshade that goes into the rod holders as the supports and covers this whole area with a big sun sail. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so as you can see, beautiful table to sit around underneath a very nice sun sail that's been added to the boat. Here we have another ladder that goes off the back of the boat, and then plenty of storage on a very nice layout area that is very nice to use while underway. Armrests that come down, so just a great space all in all. Both sides of the boat have these really nice chargers, and again, speakers everywhere, more storage, and just look everywhere. I mean, this boat's so clean. You have some under-gunwale storage, and if you notice, there's lighting up there as well. Line locker here. We have storage underneath this whole area. And then our fish boxes just here. So you can see those goes forward and aft, and they are draining. They look like they're possibly macerated as well. Okay, that's going to wrap up our video of this absolutely beautiful 330 Scout. If you're interested in the boat, which you obviously are if you've made it this far, please feel free to call me at this number here, or you can email me at this address. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you out on the water.